Hello everyone. So today I would like to tell you difference between Java compiler and just-in-time compiler. As I described you previously, right? I described you .class file as well as stages of programming over here, right? Stages of programming, coding stage, compilation stage, and execution stage. Everything I described you in the last session. Okay. So today I will describe you difference between Java compiler and just-in-time compiler. So previously, as I said you, when I prepare any Java program, first of all it will go to compiler. Compiler will check it. Is there any issue? Is there any error in Java program or not? Okay. Compiler will check the same, right? And after that, once if isn't there any error, in that case it will create a .class file. Everything I described in the last session, how .class file looks and how bytecode looks, everything I described you in the last session. So today I will just go through basic description of this, right? Okay. Yeah. So .class file will be generated over here, and after that it will go to just-in-time compiler, and once again just-in-time compiler will check a .class file. Okay, and if it's okay, in that case it will go to Java Virtual Machine, and JVM will convert the same file into a binary language, and now machine will be able to understood our language. What we are telling to you, machine will be able to understand. After that only machine will be able to give output. Okay, this is what I described you in last session. So today I would like to tell you difference between Java compiler and just-in-time compiler. So you will be having a question, why we have to check our code two times, right? So first, when I create a Java program, it will be checked by compiler. Okay. So first difference is compiler will only check Java file, .java file. Okay. Will check mistakes in .java file. If everything went well, in that case only it will create a .class file. Okay. .class file will be having a bytecode. Okay. So now why needs to check two times? Okay. So if someone manipulate this .class file, in that case will it feasible to run the program? No, right? GITC, just-in-time compiler will give me error for the same. Okay, if someone manipulate in that case. So again, .class file will be checked by GITC over here. If everything is fine, okay, in that case only GITC will send the file to JVM, and JVM will convert it into binary language, and we will be able to get output. That's why we need to check our Java program two times. Okay, only Java program will be definitely checked one time, but once it will convert to a .class file, it will be .class file will be again checked by a just-in-time compiler. Okay. Yeah. So first difference is will check mistakes in .java file, and a just-in-time compiler will check mistakes in a .class file. See. Okay. So Java compiler is present in JDK. Java compiler is present in Java development kit. Okay. When I am going to compile my program, it's existing in a JDK, Java development kit. Okay. And just-in-time compiler is present in JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Once bytecode will get created, it will go to JVM. Okay, it will go to JITC. Again, so JRE is a platform over here. In that, we are able to see Java Virtual Machine. So JITC will be existing into a JVM. Okay. So JITC is existing into a Java Virtual Machine. Okay, it is present in a compilation stage. Okay, when I am going to, this is a coding stage, when I am going to prepare any program, now it's considered as a coding stage. Once I will compile my program, it is known as a compilation stage over here, but after that this one is known as a execution stage. Okay, so compiler is in a compilation stage. It means it is compiler is present in a compilation stage, and just-in-time compiler is present in execution stage. Okay, because at the time of execution only just-in-time compiler will be come in a picture. Okay, so that's why it is coming in an execution stage. Okay, yeah. Output of Java compiler is a dot class file. See, over here, once Java compiler will check is there any error into the Java file or not. Once, if there isn't any error, in that case, dot class file will get generated. So this is the output. Once compiler will check it, after that, as a output, we will be able to get dot class file over here. But once it will go to JITC, once just-in-time compiler will check, it will go to JVM. We will not get any output from here. JVM will give us output, but JITC is not going to give us any output. Okay. So over here, output of Java compiler is a dot class file, but once just-in-time compiler will check a dot class file, it is not going to give us any output. It is only going to send our dot class file to Java virtual machine. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. And each and every notes I have uploaded on my Instagram account, which is Stairs to Get Successor. Okay. Over there in a post section, you will be able to see each and every notes. Okay. Thank you so much.